Welcome to Important Updates, your trusted source for breaking headlines, global insights, and sharp analysis from around the world. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss an update. Why are there not more people talking about the Philippines' bold leap into green maritime innovation? The air at Subic Bay shipyard was electric, thousands gathered, anticipation thick in the morning sun. Today, January 18, 2026 marked a turning point for the Philippines. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. stood before a colossal flag-draped ship, ready to unveil a new era. With a dramatic gesture, the president set the unveiling in motion. The massive flag slid away, revealing the sleek, futuristic BRP Diwata, a vessel gleaming in white and blue. The crowd erupted in cheers, united in pride and hope. The Diwata was more than a ship. It was a promise of a cleaner, sustainable future for maritime transport. This launch declared the Philippines' commitment to protecting its oceans and leading in green innovation. Engineers, students, officials, and dignitaries shared in this historic moment. The Diwata symbolized national unity and a bold step onto the global stage. President Marcos called it a testament to Filipino ingenuity and resilience. The ship was built not just to transport goods, but to carry the aspirations of a nation. It was a floating symbol of what's possible when a country dares to innovate. The launch was more than ceremony. It was the start of a new voyage for the Philippines and the world. The world watched as the Philippines delivered a message of hope. The journey of the Diwata had just begun. What makes the Diwata a green mega vessel? It's more than size, it's a revolution in sustainability. Traditional cargo ships are major polluters, burning heavy fuel oil and releasing massive emissions. Green vessels like the Diwata are designed to change that, minimizing environmental impact at every turn. The shipping industry moves 90% of global goods, but at a high environmental cost. A single large ship can pollute as much as 50 million cars. The world needs cleaner solutions, and green mega vessels are the answer. These ships run on clean energy, maximize efficiency, and are built for sustainability from construction to decommissioning. It's not just about adding solar panels, it's a complete reimagining of ship design and operation. The Diwata is a floating laboratory, proving that large-scale shipping can be both profitable and environmentally responsible. Its launch challenges the status quo and sets a new standard for the industry. The future of shipping isn't just bigger, it's cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable. The Diwata leads the way. The BRP Diwata is a marvel of modern engineering powered by a hybrid propulsion system. Its main engine runs on liquefied natural gas, slashing harmful emissions compared to traditional fuels. Advanced batteries store excess energy, enabling zero-emission maneuvering in ports. The hull's shark skin-inspired coating reduces drag, saving fuel on every voyage. Waste heat recovery turns engine exhaust into electricity, powering onboard systems. Thousands of solar panels generate enough energy for lighting, navigation, and crew facilities. Every detail, from aerodynamic design to optimized propellers, is built for efficiency. A sophisticated ballast water treatment system protects marine ecosystems from invasive species. The result? Dramatically reduced pollution, cleaner air and water, and compliance with strict global regulations. The Diwata is a blueprint for the future, where profitability and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. It proves that green technology can power the world's largest ships. The future of shipping is here. The Diwata's launch sparked pride across the Philippines. For engineers and shipbuilders, it was a dream realized. Filipino talent leading in green technology, Maria Santos, lead architect, called it the greatest moment of her career. Workers saw the vessel as their legacy, built by Filipino hands for a better future. Government leaders hailed it as a landmark for sustainable development and innovation. The Secretary of Transportation called the Diwata a cornerstone of national strategy and a springboard for a new green industry. Students left inspired, eager to pursue careers in sustainable design. The ship became a symbol of what's possible when ambition meets purpose. Even environmentalists, often skeptical, saw hope in the commitment to LNG renewables and efficiency. The Diwata set a new standard, uniting diverse voices under a banner of progress. It showed that industry and ecology can find common ground. The launch was a victory for the oceans and for the Filipino spirit. The nation celebrated, proud of what it could achieve. The Diwata became a beacon of hope. The Diwata project was an engine for economic growth and opportunity. It revitalized Subic Bay, creating thousands of high-skilled jobs for welders, engineers, and software developers. Local suppliers and small businesses thrived, fueling a new supply chain for sustainable maritime technology. The project laid the foundation for an export-oriented industry, building green vessels for the world. It spurred a national focus on STEM education, with new scholarships and training in green engineering. Universities updated curricula to meet the demand for expertise. The Diwata inspired young Filipinos to pursue meaningful, future-ready careers. Investing in the ship meant investing in people, building a workforce, ready for the global green economy. The project's legacy is a generation of skilled innovators. The Diwata proves that sustainable infrastructure creates jobs for today and careers for tomorrow. The BRP Diwata is more than steel and technology. It's a symbol of national pride. For a nation of seafarers, building a world-class green ship is a milestone. The name Diwata, a guardian spirit in Philippine mythology, reflects its mission to protect the seas. The vessel connects modern innovation with deep cultural roots, becoming a floating ambassador for Filipino values. Its launch was celebrated by Filipinos worldwide, challenging old perceptions and showcasing a new, innovative Philippines. The ship embodies the Bagong Pilipinas vision, progress, renewal, and pride. It's a reminder that the Philippines is defined by its potential, not its challenges. The Diwata proves a developing nation can lead in solving global problems. As it sails, it carries the hopes of millions. The tide is turning. The Philippines is steering toward a brighter, cleaner future. The world took notice as the BRP Diwata launched. Maritime nations, shipping giants, and environmental groups watched closely, impressed by the Philippines' leap in green shipbuilding. Delegations from Europe and Asia came to learn from the technologies on display. Major news outlets covered the story, highlighting the Philippines as a leader in decarbonizing shipping. The Diwata became a global case study in sustainable innovation. Industry analysts discussed the Philippine model. Government, private sector, and skilled workers uniting for a breakthrough. The launch sparked a green race, pushing other nations to accelerate their own programs. The Philippines set a new bar for environmental responsibility in shipping. This global attention opens doors for exporting green technology and expertise. The Diwata is now the nation's ultimate calling card on the world stage. The Diwata's impact ripples far beyond the Philippines. It sets a new benchmark, turning green shipping from theory into reality. Other nations and companies now see a clear path forward, accelerating investment in sustainable technologies. The vessel influences international maritime policy, proving ambitious emissions targets are achievable. The Philippines can now lead global discussions on environmental standards, backed by real success. The Diwata stimulates demand for green tech, batteries, LNG engines, and more, spurring innovation and competition worldwide. It's a classic case of one bold move lifting an entire industry. For developing nations, the Diwata is proof that leadership and innovation is possible. With vision and investment in local talent, any country can help solve global challenges. The Philippines has provided a blueprint for a green, prosperous future. The Diwata's most important cargo is its message of empowerment. The world is watching and following. The BRP Diwata marks the start of a new chapter, a story of hope and ingenuity. This green mega-vessel is a promise to future generations, cleaner seas, fresher air, and a sustainable relationship with our oceans. Its success was built on teamwork, visionary leaders, brilliant engineers tawi, Enzawan Adrins, Inawi and Naudi, Donder Duxcobrabar, Andawai Defensible. The Diwata is a monument to collaboration, showing that global challenges require collective action. As it prepares for its maiden voyage, it calls on the world to innovate and invest in a better future. The future of our oceans is unwritten. Our choices shape the story. Let the Diwata inspire a new era of global cooperation for the health of our seas. Imagine a fleet of green vessels, each a testament to our commitment to the planet. As the Diwata sails toward the horizon, we witness the dawn of a new age, one of stewardship, hope, and sustainability. The journey has just begun.